yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. And that time will be the last he ever hurt you. Well, all your extra makeup on at work, we all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass before you know what's real. And I can't change the way you feel, but oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. And that time will be the last he ever hurts you again. How much longer will you take? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. And won't you find your new surroundings with the man